Some of the players that you played against when you were at Baylor have now made it onto the NBA. Marcus Smart, well, Julius Randle unfortunately is injured. Joel Embiid is injured. Andrew Wiggins is out there. Of the guys you faced off against in college, who do you think is going to be the best pro?
Who do I think is going to be the best pro long term or just right now?
We'll take short term and long term.
Short term, man, that's tough. I'm hoping for Joel to get back. I hope he has a long, extended career because that kid, he just has a great amount of potential and he's just a great guy. We're friends off the court. And Marcus Smart, he's obviously my favorite player that's probably in the league that I played against other than Corey Jefferson, but that's just because he's my teammate and like a big brother to me. But, Marcus has just all the upside to be a great NBA player, and I think that I'm going to give that cookie to him.
Okay, there you go. Marcus Smart could be the best one from all those talented guys that you played against for all those years.